They have their particular strategies of innovation.
Yeah, some people are incredibly controlling and just like to play God with absolutely every note that they can. And of course, things like Pro Tools and this sort of stuff, that means that these people can just like they're kind of like obsessive compulsive people. They just lock themselves in a room and don't sleep for like 2 weeks and do nothing else except, you know, change every note and try and play God. And sometimes it works out great, and sometimes it's just like, you know, average. Other people, completely chaotic, you know, they just do lyrics like collage, like cutting words out of a newspaper and just slapping them on the wall and going, that, I'm getting an idea, you know. Other people, it's a combination of the two. One guy's Mr. Super technical and controlling, and the other guy's bouncing off the walls, coming up with crazy ideas. And you work together as a team. There's no set formula. But again, once you get an idea, once you get a new way of looking at a song, a new way of looking at something, and you get something that's great, you eventually move to the boring bit, which is the detail. You know, you can sit there on an acoustic guitar, one guy, and the other guy comes up with a tune and half a set of lyrics, and you know that, yep, that's going to be a really strong song, fantastic, when you finished writing it, which you haven't done yet. Because now you have to put a little guitar piece, now you have to sort the intro out, now you have to figure out what the arrangement's going to be exactly, and the rest of the words, and you can never figure out what the third verse is going to be, you know, and it's all got to be right. And then you've got to go and record it. And when you record it, it doesn't sound like quite the same song that you started with. All that buzz and enthusiasm is like, something missing now. And now you've got to try and get it back. And that's detail. And that's process. And that is sitting in a recording studio, mixing and remixing and scratching your head. And sometimes you get it lucky, and it just happens like that. But most of the time, it doesn't.